Hello year 3, so welcome back. We're still on our new-ish topic that we're revising of measuring in length. Okay, remember we measure length, a flat surface, something, how long something is, or it could be how wide, or it could also be how tall something is, so it's a 2D measurement. So today we are going to be writing length in centimetres. So I made a mistake yesterday. I didn't put the journal and the title on because I was just impressed that I was using the actual book. But I've learned, still learning. So, guide practice today. How tall is each person in centimetres? So they're all stood beside a tape measure and they're going to see how tall they are. Now, if you can't read the zoomed in bit, it's fine because it says their name and their height at the very bottom. So Sam is 1 metre and 400, not 400, 1 metre and 40 centimetres. Okay, so let's write just an S for Sam because it's very tricky to write on this thing. 1 metre and 40 centimetres. Now, if we want to convert this to just centimetres, so yesterday we were converting from centimetres to metres. Now we're doing it the other way about. Can you remember from yesterday how many centimetres are in a metre? So there are 100 centimetres in a metre. So we can change this 1 metre into 100 centimetres. And then we need to add on the 40. So 140, listen, I'm nearly giving you the answer already. 140 is going to make, I haven't really got room, I'm just going to write it below. 140 centimetres. Well done, guys. Oh, I missed the whiteboard so much, you know. Now, if we move on to Holly, Holly is 1 metre, so that's going to be a lot easier. One of my pen's gone here, so I'm just going to write an H for Holly. And if she's 1 metre, we can already convert her because we know 1 metre is the same as 100 centimetres. Now the next person is Elliot, so I'm going to write an E for Elliot. Can you read on the tape measure here? Oh, not now that I've squiggled it out. Either on the tape measure or at the bottom, how tall is Elliot? So Elliot is 1 metre and 76 centimetres. So that 1 metre is going to change into 100 centimetres. And how many centimetres does it say below Elliot? It says 76. So 176. You can hear the answer. 176 centimetres. And finally, that's supposed to be a 6 by the way. Finally, Ruby is 1 metre and 4 centimetres. We can see her there. So we're going to change that metre into how many centimetres? 100. And we're going to add 4. Now, they've added Ruby's height in. There's a little bit of a trick. How are you going to write 104? Think very carefully about your place value and where you're going to put this 4. So some people might get confused and put the 4 in the tens, but that 4 is ones. So we need 100s, 0 tens, but we need a placeholder, and 4 ones. Now always remember year 3. I used to tell you this all the time whenever we were in class. Always remember to add on your units at the end to make sure that I know and you know whenever you're marking if you meant metres or centimetres. You can't just write 104 because if somebody else looked at that, they might think you thought Ruby was 104 metres tall, which would be ginormous. So make sure you put in your centimetres or your meters at the end so it's clear that that's what you meant, which unit you meant. Okay, and if you just leave it blank, I'm going to assume that you think Ruby is 104 jelly beans tall. Make sure you remember your units. Alright, year 3, and hopefully your centimetres and meters and your writing looks a little bit neater than mine. Now, see you tomorrow for a little bit more maths. Bye, guys.